Hi guys, this is Edward and welcome to this new devlog series. So this is a game project that me and my sister have been working on for about a week or so, and we actually decided to make these videos to keep track of the process and just to have some fun. And it might also motivate some people out there to work on their games as well. So since this is our first game ever, we decided to first start with something really small and that we can get done in a short amount of time. So we are making a mobile game where you are working on a mine, kind of like a cave, and you need to destroy or mine rocks, because well, that is your job. The mechanics of the game are pretty similar to the game Timberman. You tap on one side of the screen to mine from that side and tap on the other side of the screen to mine on the other side. You'll need to be really careful as for what side you are going to mine, since there are going to be bumps and also some rocks that are dangerous to touch. It is a really simple mechanics and we really love working on this since it's something that we can get done and it'll feel great just to have something out there made by us. So my sister is the one working on the art of the game. She's pretty good at drawing and she really loves painting. She has been doing it for many years as a hobby and I really love her style. She has never done any pixel art before, so she's actually learning how to pixel art while working on the project. And as you might already guess, I am the one working on the programming side of the game, and of course I am using the Godot Engine. So while my sister was working on the game art, I started working on a really simple prototype just to have the movement and the really basics of the game, and it was really easy to get it done and I just really love working on the Godot Engine. I also made a really simple script for making tuning movement easy for me. I actually made it a few years back and I just polished it a little bit and it has just made my life way easier. After a while, I was able to quickly import the sprites and animations, and so far I am really happy how everything is turning out. Well guys, this is going to be it for this video. This is my first time doing this kind of video, so feedbacks are welcome. I hope you enjoy it, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to get more updates. You can also check out my tutorials on the Godot Engine and game development. Thanks for watching and until next time guys, see you later.